Extreme storms like hurricanes and typhoons have had a significant impact on regions all around the world. In the United States, the Florida Keys are one of the most highly threatened areas in the nation when it comes to hurricanes. These chain of islands are mostly vulnerable to flooding and high storm surge. The Florida Keys Islands on average do not reach above a height of 18 feet above sea level. As we have learned in our modules, the closer an area is to sea level, the more susceptible it is to hurricane and changes due to rising sea level. To make matters more threatening, Southeast Florida Climate Compact projected that a sea level rise by 2100 is estimated to be anywhere from 28 to 57 inches above current sea levels. A study was conducted by a group of researchers in 2015 that showed global projections of intense tropical cyclone activity for late 21st century would go from a dynamical downscaling of CMIP5 to RCP 4.5 scenarios in the Atlantic Basin. This will have a significant impact on the people of the Florida Keys because the people can lose billions in property and the islands themselves are far from any mainland. This poses an issue in the case of an emergency evacuation is needed. The people on the islands may be too far away to evacuate. Because there is so much money invested into the Florida Keys, not much is being done on the aspect of migration or evacuation. But annual research studies and forecasts are conducted to help keep the people as safe as they can while traveling to living in these beautiful islands.